Hi, year ones. Let's get ready for our first English lesson, okay? It's also our last English lesson for this week, okay? I will make a separate recording of your spelling quiz, and you just need to listen to that spelling quiz. So, first things first, let's move on to our activities for Friday. Here we go. We are looking at singular and plural nouns, okay? Singular means one, plural means more than one, okay? So it means two or more, okay? So a noun is a name of a person, a place, or a thing, okay? So here you've got a few sentences, okay? You've got about 10 sentences. You just need to write, look at the screen, either singular, which means one, or plural, which means more than one, okay? I'll give you examples of a singular noun. Cat, singular. Table, singular. Boy, singular, okay? That's just one. But plural means more than one, okay? Cats, dogs, tables, goats, okay? Those are all plurals, okay? Singular means one, plural means more than one, okay? So plurals usually have a S at the end of the word, like cats, dogs, snakes, elephants. Okay, tables. Now, I will read the sentences to you, and you just pause after every sentence and write singular or plural. Number one, uh, there were two cats playing in the yard last night. We saw a movie last night at the theater. My friend came to see me yesterday. I checked out some books from the library. I went fishing at the pond last week. How many ants are on the picnic table? There were two boats on the lake at sunset. I helped my dad wash the car this morning. I found 7 eggs in the chicken coop. The dentist cleaned my teeth yesterday. Then here we've got opposites here ones. Okay, opposites. We've got hard. If it's not hard, it's soft. The opposite of hard is soft. The opposite of good, bad. Modern means new, and ancient means old, okay? Fat, thin. Small, big. Full, empty. Short, long. Heavy, light. Fast, slow. Strong, weak. Delicious, awful. Old, young. Some others you can memorize or you can learn. Smooth, rough. Clean, dirty. Near, far. Loud, soft. Black, white. Okay, so for this part of the activity, year ones, you've got a sheet that looks like this, okay? Where you cut out the opposite and you glue it into this sheet. So for instance, You could put a modern picture and an ancient picture over here. Okay, so let me just use an example. Good. So you can put old and new, okay, or old and young. So you put opposites next to each other. You cut out these pictures over here. See, you've got small, you've got fat, hard, good, modern, you've got full, short, heavy, fast, strong, soft, delicious. Okay, so cut out from these pictures and glue them onto this sheet over here. So big here and small there. Boy here and girl here. Okay, so you have to look at the pictures and read the captions, okay? Right below that. That is what you have to do for English. Moving on to maths. For Friday's Maths Year 1, get your booklet out and open up on this page that reads Friday. So, here we're doing some place values with tens and units. We've got 28, we've got 2 tens and 8 units. So this is the same as how I taught you in class. You break your numbers apart, okay? You break it apart into 2. So you've got your tens on one half and you've got your units on the other half, okay? So 59, it's 5 tens and 9 units. Okay, so that's what you do. Then we move on to the clock. So where you color the clocks to match the written time, the analog version and the digital time. Okay, so here we've got the word 11 o'clock. Okay, so find 11 o'clock as a digital, okay? So I'll do it for you, but you can use the same color. Okay, I'll do this first one for you. So we've got 11 o'clock. This does not look like 11 o'clock. Okay, so you can color, okay, but I won't color. 11 o'clock. Then we find the digital version. Is it that? No. Is it this? Yes. So we circle 11 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Okay. Do that for this activity, year ones. So you have 11 o'clock, 11 o'clock in digital time, 11 o'clock in analog time. That is what you have to do, but you must use the same color. So for 11 o'clock, you use the same color. For 9 o'clock, you use a different color. For 6 o'clock, you use a different color. For 12 o'clock, you use a different color. Then we move on to our science for Friday. So for Friday, look at this picture on the screen. So we've got light sources over here. We've got stars. We've got a light. We've got a lamp, a torch. We've got a flame, okay? Fire flame. On the next activity sheet, look at the picture, which is the picture we just looked at. Draw 3 light sources, okay? That means year 1, you need to draw 3 objects that give off light. I'll show you, for instance. This over here gives light, okay? It's one object. But you need to take these ideas from the previous sheet, the one that I just showed you. Okay, so you draw 3 light sources in this box, in that box. Look at the screen and in that box, okay? In this last box, year one, you have to draw a picture that does an object that does not give off light, okay? It is not a source of light. My glasses, for instance, they don't give light. My tea, this does not give light, okay? So you can go back to this picture and look at things that don't give light, okay? They won't make a room brighter if you put it in a dark room. And that is all for your Friday activities for today.